Once in a distant village, there lived a young man named Koji who had nothing but a humble heart and an insatiable desire to learn. Despite his lack of material possessions, Koji held an unshakable belief that he could build wealth from nothing. One day, Koji heard whispers of an old sage who resided atop the mountain. This sage was said to possess the secret to transforming nothing into abundance. Eager to learn, Koji embarked on a journey up the rugged path to meet the sage. After days of arduous travel, Koji reached the mountaintop and found the sage sitting peacefully under a cherry blossom tree. Koji bowed respectfully and asked, "Wise sage, I seek to build wealth, but I possess nothing. How can I achieve this?" The sage looked at Koji with a serene smile and replied, "Wealth is not solely measured in gold and possessions, young one. True wealth lies within your spirit, your thoughts, and your actions." Perplexed, Koji questioned, "But how can I manifest abundance when I lack material resources?" The sage picked up a small pebble and held it out to Koji. "Do you see this pebble? It seems insignificant, but it holds potential. With the right actions, it can create ripples in a pond, affecting the entire surface." The sage then handed Koji a handful of seeds. "Plant these seeds with care, tend to them with diligence, and they will grow into a lush garden that provides sustenance and beauty." Koji's eyes lit up with understanding. He realized that the sage was teaching him about the power of his intentions and actions. He returned to the village with newfound clarity. Koji began by helping his neighbors, sharing his knowledge, and working hard to improve the village's well-being. He used his talents to teach the children, mend broken tools, and offer counsel to those in need. Slowly, his actions inspired others to do the same. As time passed, the village transformed. The once barren lands flourished with crops, and the people's hearts were rich with unity and compassion. Koji's reputation for wisdom and kindness spread far and wide. One day, a wealthy merchant passing through the village noticed the thriving community and approached Koji. The merchant was moved by the transformation and offered Koji financial assistance to expand his efforts. With this support, Koji built schools, improved infrastructure, and empowered the villagers further. Years later, the merchant remarked to Koji, "You have indeed built wealth from nothing." But it was not gold that accomplished this. It was your unwavering spirit, your selfless actions, and your ability to see the potential in every small endeavor. Koji smiled, remembering the sage's teachings. He had come to realize that wealth was not merely about acquiring possessions, but about cultivating a prosperous life through meaningful actions and genuine connections. And so, the village and its people thrived not because of material riches, but because they had tapped into the boundless wealth that resided within their hearts and souls.